Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, please click like if you like this video and subscribe to me if you haven't. So this is an '06 Jeep and Grand Cherokee 4-wheel drive, and we're going to change the air filter. It's a pretty easy process. SA8817 is what we went with. We did plugs and such on this. If you don't know, you have 16 plugs on this thing. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to unclip this little clip. Just pull up and lean it back. Here's another one right here. Oh, looks like it's off already. It might be laying down inside of there. I'll look for it. And then we're just going to rotate this thing, the whole thing. We're just going to rotate it that way and lift up. I might need 2 hands for this. It clips into the back. That's probably all we'll need right there. There's our air filter. We'll go ahead and pull it out. She's a little dirty, but she's not too bad. But it is important to keep these things clean on this engine. So we'll pull out the air filter here. I'm trying to use one hand, sorry. There we go. Rubber side's going to come up because that is our seal. I know a lot of you know how to do these, but just trying to be thorough for the people who don't. So we're going to set it in there. Make sure that the rubber lip sits up just like that. It seals down just like that. Now, see the little holes back in here? We need to make sure that those are in there first. So rotate it down, slide it in, pull it down, and put your clips back on. And that's it. I'm going to look for that other clip before I finish this up. But that's all you're going to do. Then rotate the clip up and snap it down on the other side like a belt buckle. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.